All right, so number 3 says numbers of endangered lizards living on an island are given in this table below. Now this time, notice they give us years as our x's and lizards as our y's. So it says, using a calculator, find the model, what is the number of years after 1990, and it wants the value of b to the nearest thousandths. So that's 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. That's what they wanted at. Record your answer and fill in the bubbles in your answer document. So when we go and put in this one, we're going to go stat, edit. Well, let's clear the old values. But remember, anytime we have years, we don't start out with that year number. We start out with the first year is year 0. And then all the other years are how many in between. So from 1990 to 1995, that's 5 years. To 2000, that's 5 more, so that's 10 years. 2005, 5 more years, 15 years. 2010, 5 more years, so that's 20 years. So we're going to use 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20 for the year. Oh, sorry. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, there's just 5. Lizards are going to be the same. It's just our y value, 1525, 1608, 1598, 1669, and 1726. Now we're going to go back to stat, go over to calc, go to 0. Remember, 0 is down here, exponential regression. And let's get our calculator. So this time it wanted b to the nearest thousandths, so it doesn't really care what a is. So b to the nearest thousandths, that would be 1.0057. The 7 makes the 5 round up, so it's 1.006. So just ask for the b value. And on the rest of these, let's mark if they're a growth or a decay. Since this is greater than 1, this one would be a growth. Okay, next one. It says using graphing calculator, find an exponential to the best fit. It says use a function to estimate the y value when x is 15. So we're going to get the function, then plug in 15 for x. So go back to stat, edit. Let's change these up again. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then for the y value, 750, 600, 520, 450, and 400. Go back to stat, calc, 0, exponential regression, boom. And we get 722.91 times 0.98, and that 4 will become a 5 with the 6. I went ahead and just estimated it to the thousandths place because all these were estimated to the nearest whole, so we're going to get an answer pretty close. Now, it says when x is 15, so we're going to type it in as 722.91 times 0.985 to the 15. And 576, which is kind of in between some values. So let's go back and let's type it in exactly as what we got. So 722.9128 and then times 0.9846697,296 to the 15. Sometimes if you get an answer that's not close enough, you're going to go back and type in the whole thing. Okay, there's my first number, and then 0.98466979296, and we're going to raise that to the 15th. 0.573.38, blah, 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 so A. So just know, if you don't get your answer at first, you may have to retype in the whole thing exactly. Since this one had a b value less than 1, this is a decay. Alright, there's 3 problems left, so on these final ones, we're going to type in, we're going to do these on the next video, and we're going to do a little back and forth where you guys try it, and then we'll check. Alright, stop the video here, we got one more to do.